So we've got an apple, a beetroot and a potato. They're great. They can give you loads of things like vitamins and minerals. They keep you healthy and they give you energy so you can run around and have fun. But they can't walk or talk or run around and have fun themselves, can they? Well, now they can. Meet Arthur Apple, Betty Beetroot and Pete Potato. They're just 3 of the Fruities and Veggies. What's going on? Okay, that's better. What was I saying? Oh yes, they're just 3 of the Fruities and Veggies, brand new characters that are based on, you've guessed it, fruits and vegetables. Now they all live together in fantastic houses that were designed by children. See, look at them, they're amazing. And you can read all about their adventures in 3 new books that I've written and my good friend Brett has illustrated. Hello Brett.
Hello Ivor.
There's Arthur Apple and the Mysterious Noise. There's Betty Beetroot and the Night of Falling Leaves. And there's Pete Potato's Problem Pile Up. It's all about getting children to eat more fruits and vegetables. And at the end of each book, there are links to information about healthy eating, and they're available from the Too Simple shop and from some one-stop supermarkets all around the country. So, I hope you all enjoy reading about Arthur, Betty and Pete. And don't forget to eat loads of fruits and vegetables. They're delicious, nutritious and fabulicious, which is a made-up word. Say goodbye, guys.